Alright guys, this is the Guangzhou riverboat tour. It's actually a pretty cool city, to be fair. It is, isn't it? You're going to see a really tall tower, I suppose, at the end, so I'll take some pictures of that. This is actually